Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2 plus 3 sin x. Next, I will do first derivative for the both sides. We have du equal to 3 cosine x ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. Cosine x ds we change by the u over number 3. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.